From the rolling green hills of Vermont comes one of America's most iconic ice cream brands, Ben & Jerry's. What began as a small scoop shop has grown into a world-famous name known for bold flavors, creamy texture, and generous chunks. But how exactly is this legendary ice cream made? It all begins with fresh milk and cream, sourced from trusted dairy farms. The ingredients arrive chilled and are carefully tested to meet strict quality standards. Only the freshest dairy makes it into the mix. Inside the production facility, milk, cream, sugar, and egg yolks are blended together in large stainless steel tanks. This creates the rich ice cream base. Every measurement is precise, ensuring the perfect balance of sweetness and creaminess. Next comes pasteurization. The mixture is heated to eliminate harmful bacteria, then rapidly cooled. This step guarantees safety while preserving flavor. The base is then homogenized. During this process, fat molecules are broken down into tiny particles, creating the smooth and velvety texture that makes every scoop so satisfying. Now comes the creative magic. Flavor experts develop the bold combinations Ben & Jerry's is known for, from rich chocolate fudge to cookie dough chunks and caramel swirls. Premium ingredients are carefully selected for maximum taste. The flavored base enters a continuous freezer, where it's rapidly chilled while being churned. Air is whipped in to create the perfect creamy consistency. Then, the signature chunks and swirls are added. Generous pieces of brownies, chocolate chunks, or cookie dough are folded evenly into the ice cream, ensuring every bite is packed with flavor. The finished ice cream is filled into the brand's iconic pint containers, sealed, labeled, and carefully inspected. Each pint passes strict quality control checks before moving forward. Finally, the ice cream is stored in temperature-controlled freezers and shipped across the country in refrigerated trucks, keeping it perfectly frozen from factory to freezer aisle. From farm-fresh dairy to your spoon, every pint is crafted with care, creativity, and a passion for unforgettable flavor.
Look at those chunks.
That's the story behind every scoop of Ben & Jerry's.